What are the experiences you get? They call as the paranormal experiences. So human mind, they have human experiences, physical experiences, as they see, they hear, they talk, they sense only physical things, the physical world, as everybody having this common experiences. So what are the different the paranormal experiences? Those who have sensitive mind, hair conscious beings, those activates the subconscious mind, they have a experience of telepathy, intuition, clairvoyance. As they get mystical visions, they get spiritual sounds, home sound, any kind of voices, spiritual sounds, and they have a astral body movements. They can sense the subtle things. They can feel the negative demons or demons which come closer to them. They can sense them, even though they can sense many things, mystical things. So what is the different that here you are something different than a common man, because of that you get this kind of experience, because of that your mind is sensitive, you have a higher energies and consciousness that you can sense the subtle things. And before awakening also, you're gonna have the mind become sensitive, you feel the sound waves can hear, but we can't sense the sound waves, so you can sense sound waves. When the mind becomes so sensitive, your consciousness, you can sense it, and you experience electromagnetic energy. Even this thing happens before kundalini and after kundalini also, and people will get mystical experiences of like inside they become a like tornado, hurricane, and a black hole. So you may get a portal also, energy portals like whirlpool. This experiences, when you're experiencing this, you don't understand what it is. You may think this is negativity, this is not negativity. So yes, we get some kind of paranormal experiences such as a another experience we get that we can't express, that we can't convert into words, as a negative experience and positive experience also. Sometimes mind which changes its angle, and your perception will be changed. You what you experience is duration of sleeping, something happening negativity to you, you may go into hell, you may feel like discomfortable, somebody doing something for you. This is the negative experience. We tell this thing as a demons creating this, as a demons creating this, or else our mind is going such a period like this, we are shifting from one level to other level. So before enlightenment and awakening kundalini, you get all these negative experiences. You can't express this, how the experiences we had is, you can't explain, but you can tell simply like weird experiences. It's a different experiences. And other experiences we get spiritually, that also positive experiences, we can't convert these experiences into words, we can't explain to other people, but you can understand about the divine communication, about you see some visions, about you heard some voices, sounds, and what you feel something, experience something that you can't convert this into the words, but you understand. So what you shifting from the 3D world to 5D 4D 5D example, like you are enhancing your consciousness, your perception about the creation of the this cosmos and your human lifestyle, human being, and the creatures, the life's generation, and about the purpose of the life after life. So this all the things you get as a tell paranormal experience also comes under like death experiences. Before kundalini awakening also, you have a body out of body experiences. As astral body comes out, you will come out completely. And after awakening kundalini, you may have a death experience also immediately. You experience a clearly death experience are different, near death experience different. So somebody directly going outward, they think that it is death experience. That is not death experience. Death experience in the sense you experience a death clearly, you are yourself. That's the death experiences. You go out, you come back. And this astral body movements normal, natural. It happens to most of the people. This is a out of body experiences. Soul travel is impossible. Very rare people will get. the soul which travels so faster, they can go out of cosmos and they can come back. These experiences, and you feel something like warm energy before kundalini awakening, at the time of awakening kundalini also. After raising kundalini also, you feel coolness inside. And sometimes while duration of sleep also, your legs will get shaken before kundalini, and you can suddenly you can sense the wave connection surrounding you. When you open your eyes suddenly in the night time, you see the mystical things, mystical experience. That's what we call mystical experiences. Sometimes you can't explain. Even when open your third eye also, you see the golden location. And normally when the raising time kundalini also, you see the pure light within. This also comes under like different experiences. And what you had, what I said before, intuition, knowing the future, telepathy, the clairvoyances. So all the extra sense power, this higher mind power like kundalini, those have this, they will experience all these things. And all these are positive only. Whatever you're getting negativity experiences, nothing is bad with that. You need to accept it. And some experiences you can avoid it. So some experience you can't avoid it, you need to accept it. So these things are there, you pass out the thing, and finally you come into the relief state through kundalini raising. After kundalini awakening raising also, you have again the bout of body experiences with the manipura chakra activation. So then later on, no problem, everything will be fine, everything under your control because of enhancing consciousness energies. Everything will be fine. You experience negative force also may come and go, like demons surrounding your places. When they're coming, you can sense them. So all these things happens, but you notice many mystical things, subtle things, but you silence yourself. No need to be worried. And that's it, you understand. Once you're raising your kundalini to vishuddhi and third eye and the higher energy centers, then you don't worry about that. Thank you.